So I was sent this to give my honest review, and I'm going to be unboxing it here. It is Best Mom in the World. It is a gift set. This is perfect for Mother's Day or a gift to your mother. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, show you exactly what is in the package. So I already removed the plastic film from it. It did come with a plastic film. So as soon as I opened it, because I did peek a little bit. As soon as I opened it, I immediately smelled the fresh fragrance. So I'm not sure what it is. I'm getting like a rosy scent, but take a look at the beautiful inside of the box. It does say mom, and it says, "You give me life and brought me up. You mean the world to me. I love you deeply." So take a look. So first and foremost, if you're going by first impressions, very, very nice. So there is a lot of goodies in here. So it does have a little card, so you go ahead and personalize that. It's like in a little cute envelope style. So it does have a tumbler. Take a look. It says Best Mom Ever. Very nice color. And also it does come with a small straw, and it also has a little straw cleaner. It is a metal straw, so you could go ahead and place it in the tumbler. Super, super. The soap smells good. This is like a bath bomb. So take a look. It is like a little bath bomb. But I could just smell it right here. And it smells amazing. It smells like roses. It smells like very, very, very floral. Let's take a look at this next one. So this looks like little rose soap petals. But look at the cute container. So even if you do use the little soap petals, you could always definitely use this after the fact. You could put more soap in there or something. But take a look at that. And then last, you do get a little candle. So let me go ahead and read it to you. It says, "Dear Mom, thank you for being such an important piece of my life. Love you forever." So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. It's like coconutty. Coconut and soy candle. Oh my gosh, I want to keep this. I'm not giving it to Mom. I'm just kidding. But it smells amazing. For like a small little jar, this is my favorite. This definitely is my favorite item from the whole package. It smells so good. It's coconut and soy, but it definitely smells like coconut. Then cute little tumbler. You get your soap, and then you get a little bath bomb. So all of that is included in here. And then it does have like little paper, so you could definitely just put it over it. But super cute gift set if you're looking for something special for Mom, again, Mother's Day or her birthday, or you just want to be nice and give your mother a nice beautiful gift, a little spa at home day, then overall I would definitely recommend